Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Susan from Keheng. Today I'm going to introduce our products 18615 lithium battery. An 18615 battery is a lithium-ion rechargeable battery. The standard 18615 battery is 18 millimeter around by 65 millimeter long. This type of battery is common in applications such as laptop battery packs, flashlights, electric vehicles, cordless tools, medical devices, and various other devices that require portable power. The 18615 has become new gold standard for replaceable and rechargeable. Our battery has a range of 1,500 mAh to 3,200 mAh and an output of 3.7 volts. The advantage of our battery is high energy density, high safety, friendly to the environment, no memory effect, low internal resistance, long cycle lives more than 500 to 1,000 cycles under normal use, high current and high rate discharge. So, Keheng is your good choice. Please contact us for more details. Bye! See you next time.